Where's the cover for it?
Down here. Oh.
Eat it. Tasty. You're a ballerina dog.
She looks like Scooby-Doo.
She looks like she's trying to eat something she shouldn't.
Oh, you should see it when she does. Like a little, like, fuzzy thingy.
Oh, there's a big one. Oh, there it goes.
She's watching that one.
And it's gone. And it's in there.
Eat them, they're tasty. Should try them with some ketchup. Gonna get it? You gonna get it? Huh? You gonna get it, Chloe?
Tongue's hanging out the side.
We need to get her a special hat, you know, one of those hats with the little whirly things on it. Spinning around.
Oh my gosh. That'd be so funny.
She sure is.
She rides the short bus.
Watch him buy a bus for her. This is my child, Chloe. She's special.
She likes car rides.
She loves car rides.
Yeah.
She's fuzzy, big ears, and a dog.
We need to get her a helmet.
Mm-hmm.
He's watching movies tonight. You can hear it.
He is. He watches the same movie every night.
Ooh, the hillbilly ninja.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't understand watching things.
NASCAR, left turn.
Make a left turn. Come back. You ain't gonna miss a fucking thing.
Another left turn. And another one. And another one. Oh, here comes a right one. No, that's a left turn again. The only good part about NASCAR is when there's big crashes.
That's the exciting part.
It's bad that it only happens like twice a year.
Don't worry about it. You look
Well, it's a good
confused.
one.
Yeah, I do. It's a dead plant.
No, it's not.
You didn't attempt to eat that.
It's Chloe's weed. Knowing her.
She's still on video.
Mm-hmm.
Get it, Lola. Lola.
Chloe.
Chloe.
Yeah, my cat and her would get along pretty fine. He runs and he jumps in the window and he knocks the screen out and he falls out. Like, we got a tile floor and it'll run and it'll slide and it'll slam in the door.
Oh,